way to Knoxville. It's, I don't know, 2 in the morning, something like that. Ike's feeling healthy, taking a nap, sleeping, and just going into the truck stop. Take. No, dude. They got the model I was looking for. I think this is the one Ike was looking for also. Dude, what kind of guitar is this? It's
a rare Spectrum. Loves has it all.
Starting a new diet?
Yeah. It's a rare diet of lactose, energy, battery acid, and artificially flavored cherry nibs.
Every truck driver needs a sword or a big knife. I'm a little partial for the Wolverine claws. You know, I was stopping to get some drinks for the road, and I was like, hey, I think I need an axe. Loves the Walmart of truck stops.
This has been a Random Footy by Zach.
Random.